What's going on, YouTube? Twink Nose Tech here. I know I've been pretty absent on the channel in a long time, and I haven't done an actual tech video in a minute, but I got something that I've been wanting to take a look at. It's kind of a new product, and I just been wanting to test it out. I'm in my, well, this is my new, I guess, secondary gaming setup. This is at in my bedroom, and yeah, so I'm gonna probably do a review of my whole, like, well, I guess a setup video of my whole like desk setup and everything, if you guys want to see that. But yeah, I'll get down to the nitty gritty on this later. This is just gonna be a quick, I guess, welcome back video and a quick unboxing video of something that I picked up from Amazon. This was pretty expensive, but I just want to give it a test, let you guys know this is gonna be a quick unboxing and maybe a setup real quick, just to see, you know, first impressions, I guess you could say. I don't plan on, I'm gonna do a full review video of this later. This is just like a quick unboxing video. Just I want to hurry and get into it, I guess. I don't have my knife, so I'm using my keys. Alright, that being said, this right here is a SCUF Instinct Pro. Now this is the first SCUF controller I've ever even touched, to be honest. I've never even seen one of these in person. First impressions, this is a pretty cool box. It's got like a little sleeve on it. And I believe, I don't remember off the top of my head, but I want to say this is around like $250. I think it was like $230 plus tax, something like that. But let's go ahead and see what comes inside of it. So I wonder if you guys can see that. They got like a little cover to cover up the thumbsticks and then the D-pad. That's pretty cool. A little insert. Oh wow, it's got plastic on it. Wasn't expecting that. And yeah, here you guys go. Let's see if we can get a good view of that. This is the SCUF, what did I say, Instinct Pro. And first impressions, it feels like but it feels a little lighter than my Elite controller. Let me try my regular Xbox controller. It's about the same weight as a regular standard Series X controller. Let's see if I can get you a good view. Both. Yeah, so it's about the same size as this. It's on the same pretty much platform as the Series X controller. It's got the share button on here. You know, typical buttons that you would find on a base Xbox controller. It's not quite like the Elite 2, because the Elite 2 was built off of the Xbox One's controller. But it is lighter, but I guess that's because it doesn't look like it has batteries in it. I didn't even see that. I didn't know that this actually had a battery door, so I guess I gotta put batteries in here. But let me see. Maybe they put them in the box. Let's see what else comes in the box before I start putting together the controller. So like I said, you got the controller in here. It's another insert you can remove. Okay, so it's got like a accessories box inside, and it looks like a booklet in here. It's like a booklet. Okay, here we go. So it's got like a little pamphlet in here. Oh my bad, got a little glare to it from the light. But yeah, it's just a little pamphlet, safety information. I probably should open this and read it, so I'm gonna put that to the side right now. But let's get into the accessory box and see what's all in here. I hear something rattling around here. Okay, so it looks like more thumbsticks. These are like, what's the word for them? These are like concave, though, I would say, and these are like convex. I think that's the word for it, where they're like kind of dome shaped. I'm not sure which ones I like more. I guess I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit to see which ones I prefer. And it does come with some Duracell batteries, just like a standard Series X controller. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in there real quick before I move on to the next spot, since I already got the battery door open. Okay, so oh well, didn't do that right. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together, and then I'll move on to the rest of what's in the accessories box. Oh, I didn't put this in all the way. There we go. Get this closed up. Yeah, there we go. All right, so that's closed up. Let me see what else is in here. So it looks like you got like a SCUF branded. It's actually a really nice cable. It's like a 6-foot braided cable from SCUF. It's got like orange little accents to it, and it's got like a honeycomb design to it on here. It's pretty cool. I don't need this though because I have a cord right here plugged into my Series S. And yeah, so let's go ahead and see what it's like to start this thing up. Okay, so it's got a mute switch on here. That's pretty cool. But it doesn't have a mic on here, so I don't really see the point of it. Alright, let me go ahead and power on my Series S. Let me plug this thing in. Oh, never mind. This is I just hit the parent button. Forgot it's in the PlayStation. Okay. Pairing. Alright. Oh, yeah, so it's connected. First impressions, it feels pretty standard. I did want to see the trigger switches on here. Oh wow, I do like that. So it made it like a mouse click type of trigger instead of like a full trigger pull. Like you can adjust the trigger pull on here, but it's like the actual press, and you can hear it. It makes a lot more noise because it's something just blocking it. This one, once you hit the switches on here, it actually turns itself into a mouse click. Like, look, if you can hear this, it's got like a mouse click to it, and it barely has any travel, so that's pretty cool. I think this faceplate is removable. Well, I know it's removable. That's how you would be able to change out the thumbsticks that come inside. I'm not sure if I really want to mess with it. I'll probably just give it a go with standard thumbsticks, because it feels pretty normal to me. I wonder is it possible to change this in my controller settings? And another thing, the paddles on the back, they feel pretty natural. Like these paddles, these ones are pretty weird. I probably have never used these two right here. I'm not even sure how they push. Yeah, like using them in game is kind of weird because like you're moving your fingers inward. It kind of messes up your grip. But these ones are like really natural, able to be used. So I actually really like that. And it looks like you have a little button profile on here as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I like the grip on here. It feels really good. It actually might. It's pretty close to the stock grip on the Elite controller, but I actually might like this one a little bit more. But I'm gonna go ahead and get us a test run and see how much I actually like it and how good it actually plays. And I'll let you know if it's actually worth the money that I spent on it. I think this was like $250 after taxes. I did get it from Amazon, so they are currently available. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. This is just a quick little first look and early impressions of the SCUF Instinct Pro. I think that's the name of it. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for joining me to watch this video, and I'll see you guys next time.